Me? Oh, my child. You look lucid in the doorway. It's rude. One might question your upbringing. Well, then, you're here because you have a thing for this French fellow. Well, his why the catch is that he, well, ain't a fish. The solution to your problem is simple. The only way to get what you want is to become a human permanently. Dear sweet child, that's what I do. That's what I live for. To help the unfortunate mortal like yourself. Poor soul with no one to turn to. But you find that on a day I mended all my ways, repentance and delight, and made this a witch. True? Yes. Fools who know a little bit. It's a talent that I always have possessed. And her name may be the laugh on behalf of the miserable, lonely, and poor and fortunate souls. We're going to a nice crowd social things and help them. Yes, indeed. So poor and fortunate souls, so sad, but true. Take him lock into my cauldron, kind sound social things and help them. Yes, I do. It happens once or twice. Someone couldn't take his eyes. And I'm afraid I take him off the floor. I haven't had complaint, but in the whole I've been the same for the sweet and fortunate soul. Now, here's the deal. I'll make you human for 3 days. 3 days. Now, listen, it's important. You get to be that human in order for you to become a human permanently. Not just the kiss, but the kiss of true love. Well then, have we got a deal? If he does kiss you before the sunset on the 3rd day, you'll become a human permanently. But if he doesn't kiss you, you belong to If you become human, you'll never be with your brother and sisters again. What? You have your man. Like all of that choices, isn't it? All of you is your eyes, your pretty face, you have you. And don't underestimate the body language. I'm a very busy woman, and I haven't got all day. And I have seven just your voice. So poor and fortunate soul. Go ahead, make your choice. Oh my God, oh my God. Seite, erstmal entscheidet, warum er will.